Hi guys, back with a new video, and in this one I'm gonna paint up Freezer's third evolution. This will be the final piece of the 4-piece set diorama, so let's just jump into it. Now here you can see I'm using the same color as I use for all of the bases. Because it's a diorama, you can set it up by itself or you can put it next to each other so you have the full set. So again, this is just the base color. And now here I'm gonna use this red brownish wash. Now as you can see here, I'm gonna focus on the bottom part and over the cracks and the deepest parts of the sculpt. Just we want to give a little bit of a details to the base. We don't want it to just be blank. Now as I mentioned it before, this is the same scheme as I painted the rest of the bases for the diorama. If you're interested or you want to check them out, go back. They're all a little bit different. They all have their own style. They have always something like a translucent resin, something different about them. Now you can check it out on my Patreon or on my YouTube channel. On the Patreon comes out a little bit earlier, so if you want to be the first to see it or you want to support me, then I will advise you to go on the Patreon. Otherwise you can catch it up on YouTube as well. Now on my Patreons I will have different videos that come out that will be just specific for the Patreon. So again, check it out, see how it goes, if you like it or not. And if you're not in a rush, then you can always come back to my YouTube channel and check out the videos over there. And here with this black brownish wash, I'm just gonna do with the paintbrush, just in the deepest parts of the sculpt. Again, this is just gonna be the cracks. Just give it a little bit more depth and details to the sculpt. Now with this one you can go a little bit overboard if you go too thick, but otherwise just try to go just to stand out a little bit, not too much. And now I always choose this lovely blue for the grass. Again, this will be my favorite grass color from Dragon Ball Z. There will be the blue, and I think it goes really well with the rocks, brings out the colors really nicely. And now with this yellow, I'm gonna do these clouds or whatever they are. I'm not sure if it's actually clouds or it's just some gas or gas clouds or something like that. I'm not exactly sure what these they are. First I was thinking to make them translucent, but everywhere I looked at the art, they look always more like thicker, toxic clouds almost like. And of course with this brighter yellow, we're gonna give a little bit of a highlights here and there. We don't want to make them look too basic. Now I watch all the Dragon Ball series at least 2 or 3 times. It's one of my favorites. Again, I don't remember it quite exactly what this is. I watched them long time ago. I was keep thinking to go back to it to watch it again. But we all know how long the episodes are, especially when it's fighting. So maybe one day I'm gonna go back and just rewatch the whole season. Maybe just the Frezzer saga. I don't know, but definitely I'm gonna check it out at one point. I'm looking at a couple of animes at the moment, so as soon as I finish those ones, maybe I go back to Dragon Ball Z. Now here with this yellow contrast paint, I'm just gonna go on the deepest parts of the sculpt, and again we just want to give these details and some depth to the clouds or whatever they are. Now guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. You can go and check out my other videos. You can check out my YouTube channel, my Patreon, Instagram, TikTok. I have different videos sometimes on different places. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.